The transformations are two different transformations are available. One is active transformation and passive transformation. So first of all, what is transformation, right? The transformation used to transform the data. So from one format to another format, it is used to transform. Say for an example, if you take this is the transformation, if you take this is the transformation, see whatever we are doing by using SQL or anything, this transformation is used to transform the data from one format to another format. See transformation, you can give n number of input port. This is called input port. You'll be having different number of ports here. Then you'll be getting the output port here. So what the transformation will do? Transformation will transform the data from one format to another format. If you look at here, this is the transformation. So this is the transformation. If you are giving 100 record to this transformation, you are doing some filtering out, or you are doing some rank, or you are doing some aggregation or anything. You are getting different number of records from here out of this transformation is changing the number of record. If the transformation does change the number of record passed through it, then that is called an active transformation. And also if the transformation does changes the row number of the record. So first record, it's coming like a 10th record here, but the number of record is same, but the row number of the record is getting changed. Then you can go for then you can call this particular transformation as an active transformation. Okay. So this is an active is nothing but, so whenever you are having the transformation does change the number of record passed through it. That is called an active transformation. Okay. If the transformation does not change the number of record passed through it, you are giving 100 records, you are getting all the 100 records out of it. See some transformation, something like you are calculating salary or a salary increment, or you are calculating a bonus, or you are calculating for tax. See these calculation and all, it will be applicable for all the record, right? So whenever we are going for all the records, then we have to go for we can call this particular transformation as a passive transformation. If you look at here, this is what an active and passive. Active and passive. A transformation does change the number of record passed through it, then active. A transformation does not change the number of record passed through it, that is a passive. Okay. And also we have one more difference, like connected and unconnected. Unconnected transformation. What is this connected and unconnected? See, connected means the transformation will be there in pipeline. So pipeline means it will be connection. Some transformations we have that will not be in pipeline, something like a stored procedure, or so different transformation we can go for. Lookup we can go for unconnected. Unconnected means it will not be there in pipeline. Okay, simply it will be alone, standalone. It will be looking. So this is called connected. Connected means the transformation will be in pipeline. Okay, that is called connected. Transformation will be in pipeline. So this is called connected, and unconnected means the transformation will not be in pipeline. So separate, it's a standalone. So that is what unconnected.